In today's video, I will be discussing the importance of mediation. I get phone calls from either party asking me, what is mediation? As a divorce attorney in New Jersey, the idea of mediation never came up. It was the culture of not only law school, but also the legal profession to advocate for your client, to fight, win for your client. And it wasn't until I became seasoned in my career that I realized that winning is when both parties win. Winning doesn't mean that one person is supposed to pay a substantial amount of money in child support or alimony. Winning doesn't mean a person loses custody or child visitation rights. Winning, the true essence of winning is when both parties feel satisfied in the decision that they participated in and that all parties are satisfied with and can live with. So, what is mediation? Mediation is a common sense approach to resolve your legal dispute. It is much cheaper than litigating a case. With mediation, you come to a mutual agreement in reference to what works for your family, what works for your children, short term and long term. It is important to note that in order for mediation to work, you have to participate in the process. This is a non-adversarial environment. You get to decide what terms of the agreement work for you, work for your family. In litigating a case, the judge decides. I can't stress that enough. And you may not be happy with what the judge decides. Whereas mediation, you get to work through the details of the agreement, step by step, inch by inch, to come to a common ground. Mediation is a common sense approach and an alternative to litigation. You can mediate a case prior to filing your divorce. You can mediate a case while your divorce proceedings are pending before the final decision. And you can also mediate your case as it relates to children, visitation, custody support after your final divorce. Mediation is a great way to resolve your issues as well as save you thousands of dollars in legal fees. Judges these days encourage mediation. The docket is full with cases and trial dates. A judge loves when people put their adult hat on and work through their issues and not be told what to do. Most of us don't like to be told what to do. Be a grown-up in the process, participate in the process, and work through the things that you can work through. Of course, there will be times in mediation where you can't work through things, and it's going to, be, you're going to be faced with litigation. But for the things that you can work through that are not deal breakers, I encourage you to participate in the process, and I encourage you to educate yourself on the mediation process and talk to your attorneys about alternate resolution, dispute resolution. Some attorneys may not discuss that. I think it's very important for you, the client, to be educated about the entire legal process before you get to court, during the court process. It'll save you not only anxiety of going before a court, but it'll also save you money. But in the end, you may reach an agreement that you can live with, that your children can live with, that your family can live with. Take control of your life today and choose mediation. Pivot Mediation is here to assist you in that process. Hope this is helpful.